Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasny and today I will be showing you how to do this passion twist hairstyle. So if you're interested, let's get right into the video. First, I started by parting 2 rows and separated each part for each twist with a rubber band. And don't worry guys, the rubber band was drenched in oil, so no breakage here. So now, as you can see, the first row is done. To apply the twist, take 2 pieces of the Caribbean water wave hair and run your fingers through it. Trust me, it'll give it a more natural look. And begin the twist as you would a normal braid. You use your natural hair as the 3rd piece. So as you can see, I'm just braiding down. Then after braiding maybe 3 or 4 times, separate your natural hair into 2 and then begin twisting. For this, you may even have to go into your gel to help your hair blend a little bit better. Now all that's left to do is just twist your life away. Twist, twist, twist. Okay, yes, I did have to put my hair in my mouth. No, I'm not dirty. These twists was just long to the thong. Just kidding, just kidding. And there you have it, your very own passion twist. Easy, huh? Now, on to the next one. And the next, and the next, and the next. You know what I mean. So now, of course, you repeat the whole process all over again. Stretch the hair, run your fingers through it, make it look all fluffy. Then, start the twist as if you're braiding. Braid it about 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I still braiding? 5. 6. Well, if it works, I guess. I should start twisting it out now. Yep. Then I part it in 2 and then begin twisting. Now the reason why I braided it so much was because the passion twist hair is actually very slick and silky. So if you're not careful, if you don't braid it tight enough, it will slip out, and you do not want to be caught slipping. I'm just letting y'all know. So y'all don't have to braid it if y'all don't want to. But, I mean, there's a reason. And another one done. Flip. Yes, queen. Alright, so this is how they're looking so far. Nice and neat. Now, let's move on to the next row. Alright guys, I'm gonna go and do a couple more, then I'll be right back. It's a bug, sorry. But this is what I've done so far. And let's get started on the top. How you feel about it? I like it. When I tell you I'm tired, I've been standing here, oh my gosh, I've been standing here for the past like 5 hours. Beauty comes at a price, okay? Beauty comes at a price. Not everybody's built for this lifestyle, period. All right, let's finish this hair. Y'all can't see, but I'm stretching. Only 3, I think 1, 2, 4, 3, 4 more, and then we're done. Who is she? Who is she? Alright, so I am now all done. So now it is time to decorate. I'll be decorating using these gold clips here that I just got from the beauty supply store. To be honest, I don't know how you put these on. We're gonna find out as we go along. Mom? Yeah. Would you like to feature in my video real quick? I don't know how to put these on. Do you? She emerges. Hello, TV land. Okay, wait a minute, guys. Can we just take a moment and appreciate the beauty? Okay, Mom, I see you. How do you put these on? Do you pull it?
I believe so.
Do you?
Probably twist it around.
Oh, like this? Absolutely. So basically, after struggling so bad with that one, Mom helped me with the rest of them. Oh, Jazz, how hard can hair rings be? Up, here comes Mom with a teaching moment. Let's all listen up, folks.
Oh, yeah. So initially, right, just so you guys will see. Well,
Can I watch too?
I was trying to put it on this way. Let's see, have some contrast. But the way I was turning it, it wasn't going right. So I have to turn it this way. Oh Lord, have mercy. I have to turn it this way. So here we go. Yeah, which one I had? Probably this one. And then you put that baby in, and then just twist it. Then go up the coil.
Alright, so now that I have decorated, well, with the help of Mom, got these little cute decorations in the braids, well, twist, I'm gonna now do my edges and then it'll be the final product. So, let's do it. Alright, so guys, this is the final look. If you liked it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, subscribe if you're new, and follow me on my social medias. Thanks for watching.